Hi, my name is Sydney Hazlett and I'm from Sockeye Consulting. Today I want to share with you some of the functionality that lister views in Sage Intacct can provide. Lister views are a great way to quickly organize, sort, and filter your data. Lister views are available across Sage Intacct in all of your master data lists. So the one we're looking at right now is under Accounts Payable, Vendors. If I click on that name, it brings me to this lister view. The other way you can get here is if you click on your menu and double click on Accounts Payable, you can click on the icon for vendors. Once in this list, you have a few features that you can see right across the top that allow you to quickly filter the list. So if I click on vendor ID, it's going to sort it, ascending or descending order. If I use a percentage sign, it acts as a wildcard and it'll let me filter for anything that includes a 1 and a 0 in that order. So another place to see that is if I skip over to the name and I do percentage sign, electric, all of these different vendors have electric in the name. But if I just type electric, none of them start with electric. So that wildcard is a great tool to be able to filter if it's anywhere in that field. The other thing you can do here is you can include entity private records. You can include inactive vendors, or you can add advanced filters by picking one of the fields that's displayed and the criteria that's in this dropdown. So equals, not equals, excludes, includes, contains, etc. So it gives you a little bit more functionality than just typing it in the top of the column filter. One of the other neat things here is I can save my views. So if I create a new view from this, I can add on any of the fields that are available in this pick list, which are coming off of the vendor record. So if I go down here, maybe I want to add the phone number for a vendor and an email address. And let's say we need their tax ID in here. I click to the next screen of this lister. I can drag around my columns here. So I'll take the total due, move it to the very end, and you can change the column titles also. I'm going to skip the filters because I want to show all of them in this demo. And then I can sort by ascending or descending on any of the fields. So we'll go with vendor name, ascending order. Finally, I'm going to give my view a name, vendor details with tax ID. And if I click deploy, my other team members can see it, or if I don't, it's just for my use. Save. Nothing changed because we have to go select it in the dropdown now. And here's the list view we just created. That makes it fairly easy to create these and organize or sort your data. Then you can export it out and send it to whoever you need. Now I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what's to come. I'm going to turn on the beta interface for lister views. And this should be out in R2 of 2022. You can see here that it looks slightly different. The column headers are now able to be drag and dropped in the UI. The advanced filters that we had before are available here within each column, so you don't have to go into a second screen. And you can still sort by clicking on the name of the column. If I wanted to add columns, I just click the cogwheel on the right and click Configure Columns. Instead of going into that lister view wizard, now I can just add on the columns I want by clicking the checkbox next to those field names. Click Apply. Now I see a failed request here, and that is because this is still in beta. But if you do have any errors, once you turn this on, you can also send feedback right here so that they can improve the product and it'll be ready for full release. The final thing I'll show in this sneak peek is the split view. So I'm going to click on this button. Now we have a list of vendors down the left, like we had before, but on the right, I can actually see the record when I click on it. Pretty exciting things to come. Please let us know if you'd like to be included in the beta program and we can help you get it turned on. Thanks so much. Have a great day.